Jai Hind and a very good day. We are here to represent PSC College of Arts and Science, Two-Tail Artillery Battery NCC Kovai Group, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Directorate.
Jai Hind everyone. We welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of International Yoga.
So tell me, cadet, yoga is revered all over the globe by innumerous people. What is so special about yoga and its history? Can you enlighten me on it?
Yoga is essentially a spiritual discipline which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yaj, meaning to join or to unite. History of yoga dates back to almost 5000 to 10,000 years ago, and its earliest mention is in the oldest sacred text Rig Veda. Patanjali's Yoga Sutras are the first systematic presentation of yoga. The immense popularity that yoga enjoys in this modern world is credited to the works of a few people. What is your take on this, cadet?
You cannot always control what goes on outside, but you can always control what goes on inside. The speaker of these resounding words, Swami Vivekananda, is the key figure who, through his phenomenal speeches like the Chicago speech, helped in globalizing yoga. Modern yoga, as we know today, is the fruit of the efforts of Sri T. Krishnamacharya. So, what are the benefits of practicing yoga, cadet?
Yoga has so many benefits. It reduces stress and anxiety, increases physical and mental fitness, balance and flexibility. It can help prevent arthritis, age-related memory loss, and helps in preventing addictions. Hence, yoga is simply an art and science of healthy lifestyle.
Yes, especially during hard times like this pandemic, everyone should cultivate the habit of practicing yoga.
Padmasana, lotus position. Benefit: strengthens our pelvic region, calms the brain, keeps the spine straight. Rivarta Trikonasana, revolved triangular pose. Benefits: stimulates the abdominal gland, improves the functioning of the reproductive organs. Sarvangasana, supported shoulder stand. Benefits: calms the brain and helps to relieve from stress and depression. Dhanurasana, bow pose. Benefits: reduce the belly fat, strengthens the back muscle. Purna Uttrasana, camel posture. Benefits: reduce fat on thighs. Raja Kapotasana, king pigeon pose. Benefits: opens up the shoulder and the chest, strengthens the abdomen and the chest, improves the flexibility in the pelvic region. Bakasana, crow pose. Benefits: strengthens arm so they can hold your body weight. Shirasasana, headstand pose. Benefits: calms the brain, increased focus. Mayurasana, peacock pose. Benefits: provides good strength to arms and back. Asta Vakrasana, 8 angle pose. Benefits: develops the nervous control.
Surya Namaskar. The ultimate asana is also known as the sun salutation. It should be done facing the early morning sunlight from the east. The set of 12 asanas is dedicated to the solar deity Surya. It improves the blood circulation of all the important organs and strengthens the muscles of the arms and waist. It also aids in making the spine and waist more flexible and improves digestion and concentration power. Pranayama is the practice of breath regulation. It's one of the main components of yoga. Practicing pranayama decreases stress and maintains blood pressure, increases mindfulness, enhances our lung system and cognitive performances.